Chapter 7 Presidents of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, serving from 1950 to 1962, making him the longest-serving president. A key leader in the Indian independence movement, he played a vital role in drafting the Indian Constitution. Known for his simplicity and dedication, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was India's second president, serving from 1962 to 1967. A renowned philosopher and educator, his birthday, 5th September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. He emphasized the importance of education and played a crucial role in strengthening India's intellectual foundation. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the third President of India, serving from 1967 until his untimely death in 1969. He was the first Muslim President of India and a strong advocate of modern education. He was instrumental in the development of Jamia Millia Islamia University. Shri V. Giri served as the fourth President of India from 1969 to 1974. He was the only president elected as an independent candidate and had a strong background in trade unionism. His tenure saw significant labor reforms and social welfare policies. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Nahmad. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Nahmad was the fifth President of India, serving from 1974 until his death in 1977. He was the second Muslim to hold the office and is known for approving the emergency in 1975. His presidency was marked by political turmoil and constitutional challenges. Shri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Shri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy served as the sixth President of India from 1977 to 1982. He was the youngest person to become president and was elected unopposed. His tenure was marked by political stability and a smooth relationship with the government. Gyani Zail Singh. Gyani Zail Singh was the seventh President of India, serving from 1982 to 1987. A former Chief Minister of Punjab, he was known for his deep connection with the people. His tenure was marked by the Operation Blue Star and the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Shri R. Venkataraman. Shri R. Venkataraman served as the 8th President of India from 1987 to 1992. Before becoming President, he held key portfolios as Defence and Finance Minister. His tenure was marked by economic reforms and significant political changes in India. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the 9th President of India, serving from 1992 to 1997. A scholar and legal expert, he played a key role in upholding constitutional values. His tenure witnessed political instability with multiple changes in the Prime Minister's office. Shri K. R. Narayanan. Shri K. R. Narayanan served as the 10th President of India from 1997 to 2002. He was the first Dalit to hold the office and emphasized social justice and equality. His tenure saw significant economic growth and advancements in India's foreign policy. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man of India, served as the 11th President from 2002 to 2007. A scientist and visionary, he played a crucial role in India's nuclear and space programs. He remains one of the most beloved presidents for his focus on youth and education. SMT Pratibha Patil. SMT Pratibha Patil was the 12th President of India and the first woman to hold the office, serving from 2007 to 2012. Her tenure focused on women's empowerment and social welfare. She promoted educational and economic reforms during her presidency. Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Shri Pranab Mukherjee served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. A veteran politician, He held key ministerial positions before becoming president. He was instrumental in shaping India's economic and foreign policies and was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2019. Shri Ram Nath Kovind. Shri Ram Nath Kovind was the 14th President of India, serving from 2017 to 2022. He was the second Dalit president and focused on the upliftment of marginalized communities. His tenure saw major national developments, including the abrogation of Article 370. SMT Draupadi Murmu. SMT Draupadi Murmu is the 15th and current President of India, assuming office in 2022. She is the first tribal woman to become the President of India. Her presidency symbolizes inclusivity and empowerment for the underprivileged sections of society.